George. Morning, Scott. Morning, Green. What's the deal? Let me fix this camera real quick. All right, good morning, chat. What is going on today? Let's get the chat over here. How we doing? Happy Monday. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the stream. Let's set up some Zoom and we'll be good to go here. What is going on, man? Damn, gold took a bit of a dive down here last night. I'm gonna push back up right to the line. Morning, Scott. Let me just send this Zoom link out, guys, and we'll be good to go here. What happened in the Discord? Let's lower this music just a little bit. How y'all feeling today? Happy Monday. Like and sub to the channel like George said. First trade today, kind of nervous. Oh, cool. First trade day. Let's make this a live chat. All right. How you doing, brother? I'm doing great. How are you doing? Let's see what happened here. Free Discord chat. You guys are more than welcome to join here. Let's see what's going on. Some London session moves. Yeah. Oh, Anthony took a buy going back up. Nice. NY sesh. Oh, nice. Oh, beautiful. GJ. Oh, cool. Yeah, a lot of volume, man. I know it's a bank holiday, but we are post FOMC here today. 4 hour pulling back pretty nicely here. Okay, cool. Let's get into the breakdown here. Y'all ready? Everyone have a great weekend? Ready for a good week ahead? We have another day here, another opportunity to be disciplined in what we do, and that is what we're gonna stick to here today. So let's get this up. Let me just send the Zoom link out and then we're good. We good. We are good. Let's get rid of all the drawings here and And let's start this top-down analysis here, because it's a good one here today. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. All right, cool. So let's take a look at gold here. What happened over the weekend? What happened on Friday, right? We had a little bit of a closed market there on Friday, and price has opened up. As I mentioned, we probably would open up at like push down to like 1990, and looks like we did do that, 1989. So perfect. So let's take a look here at the weekly time frame, right? So weekly time frame has, if we stretch this out a little bit, last week we have officially closed right above this level of resistance. So that is pretty good here for gold in terms of direction. Now we do remember this candle right here closing right at resistance with no top wick, right? We've seen that last what was that, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? We've seen this candle close with no top wick, and we all know that no top wick really means that the next candle doesn't have much of a range to drive in, right? So there's not much of a range to fill. That's why you were able to see this little rejection right here, and then price push down. Looks like we've now created a support, which is good, right at this level here. So now we've created this support. Last week we closed pretty strong bullish above the resistance, and it looks like we could start to make our way back up now according to the weekly time frame. So we got ourselves a top wick, but let's scale down because we don't take trades off the weekly time frame. But if we were, we'd be waiting for a nice push up here, right? Probably fill this wick up top here at 2070-ish right here. But let's scale down to the daily, because the daily did close bearish on, I guess that was Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. So daily closed bearish. Let's take a look left, see if we have any sort of resistance. This was the one area right here that I was looking at. This resistance right here. That was the area, right? Because we had this wick rejection. And then we also had 3 other wick rejections here on the daily time frame, and these candles were never able to close above it, right? So you notice how once these candles, they weren't able to close above, price started to get a little wishy-washy here on the daily, right? I remember Scott saying, man, we're getting tight on the daily time frame here. You know, what are we looking at? So we finally had a candle to step out and close above, and then we did have a nice little rejection, bearish candle close, and now we are here today with this bearish candle. One thing I noticed is that we still do not have a top wick on this daily candle slash weekly candle, right? So I do expect the top wick to be formed at some point. Based off the weekly time frame, this candle at any point, as long as it doesn't break the low, this candle can continue to push up, right? So if we're looking at the daily time frame, well, we've pushed down quite a bit. We do know that we have a area of support right here, right? This area right here. So price may be looking to come down to create some sort of support on the daily time frame today. So we don't know if this candle wants to push down or even close bearish below today, and then possibly do some sort of a fake out for tomorrow. Looking something like this, right? This is Monday, this is Tuesday. You got something like this on Wednesday, and then Thursday we start breaking that daily resistance and also start flipping bullish on the weekly time frame, right? That right there would make sense in terms of the daily looking to create a support to continue up with the weekly time frame here, right? So we'll keep an eye on that. Those are just ideas for now. But one thing we do know is that we have that resistance to the left. We do have another resistance down here to the left-hand side. And, you know, according to price action, we are going to be bearish today. But again, no top wick on this candle. So we are open, or I am open to buys and sells today. Now, how are we going to take those positions, right? If we are looking for buys, if we are looking for sells, we're going to have to scale down to the lower time frames to look for where can we find some entries, right? Where can we find entries? Well, 4-hour time frame pushed down really nice. This is what I was expecting too. You had a 4-hour close below, clean traffic to the left. Beautiful move right here on the 4-hour time frame, and now it looks like we are starting to push up a bit to potentially retrace. So 4 hours pretty bearish, looking like it's going to make a retracement here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, we know we have a resistance up here, and then we have what looks like maybe a resistance forming right here as well, right? We haven't broken the low yet, we haven't broken the high, so this 1 hour candle is a bit iffy. I think if we could find some direction here within the next 30 minutes, so this 30-minute candle closed, but you do have a support, right? You have supports. You have this area here. You could probably drag it down a little bit, but 30-minute time frame, you are at resistance. There is some sort of support right here as well. So we can't really do anything in terms of this 30-minute. I'd rather wait for a 1 hour candle, see if we could break that low and close bearish. So that way when the volume comes in here at 8 a.m., you have a resistance formed. So that way price can continue to move bearish today, right? So we have to wait. We have to see how this 1 hour candle is going to close. It is 7:30. We do have another half hour before the NY Open, but if we are going to be looking for buys and looking for sells, let's just take a look here, right? 1 hour time frame. There's a resistance right here. Let's look left. See what we got here. I believe that's the 30-minute that we looked at. Yep. Yeah, I will not jump on buys too quick here today. We are going to need range 2 buys, being that we are going against the daily bias here. So I think above here for buys will be pretty clean. We've already pushed up, right? We've already pushed up pretty heavy. Price is in a bearish move here. We are bearish on the daily time frame. Yes, we don't have a top wick yet, but if you notice where our resistance is on the 1 hour time frame, that will match up perfectly in terms of looking for a range 2, right? So if we're looking for a range 2 here, it'll be after this daily candle flips bullish to make a top wick. So I think that's going to be our safest bet here today, based off the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily time frame. So I think sells are pretty clean below here though. If we can get a closure below, we should be good to drive down. Could even probably move it. Yeah, I think it's pretty straight right here. Let's look left a little bit more. Yeah, if we can get a 1 hour close below, I think we're good to go here. So you get a 1 hour candle to close something like this here. Next candle at the NY Open should be able to push us down with volume, right? To retest these lows and then maybe even continue on for the rest of the day here. So that's what I'll be looking for here on gold. Sells below 1999, 713, and then where could we go? Well, this is a very high area. I actually had for my Asian session analysis, there was a line right here, and it looks like we tapped it perfectly. So that is probably going to be the range here today. If we can get sells below here, we could look to fill this clean traffic. I believe this is about 90 pips, right? So you got about a 90 pip range there. Looks pretty clean. So sells below here, 19.99, and then we'll look for range 2 buys above here. Range 2 buys for now, right? Unless we get some sort of a new range to form within this range, right? If you can get something to look like this. Let's say you get a push back down, you create a support. Hold on 1 sec. Right, you can create some sort of support here, and then start to make your way back up. Something like this. And then some sort of new support. All right, new resistance, new support. Then we could probably look to take our buys, push them back up. So we'll wait for that support to be confirmed right here. And then we can look to take buys coming up. So we're gonna need a range 2 at some point, whether it's in this range or above this range, right? If we just continue to push up with no bearish candles, then we're gonna need this range to form above this resistance here. But if we do start to create a support, all we need is a new resistance, another support, and then we can look to take buys coming back up, anticipating the daily candle to flip here today. Sound good? Sound good, chat? Sound good? But wow, we had a really big move here right off the jump last night. Interesting. I had a, let's go to Asian session. So I put in the chart here, sells below 2001, which was that support, right? 2001. Where was that? Right here. So looks like price pushed down, yeah, pretty nicely. So yeah, during the Asian session, I was kind of looking for some sells below here, and TP down. I think price tapped TP perfectly. 91, right? Price came down, tapped into, yeah, 91. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. So yeah, so now we may be experiencing a nice pullback here for our price to continue down today. We're pretty bearish here on the day. So that's what we'll wait for here on gold. I'm gonna be staying out of this range here. It is a USD bank holiday today, but I will be staying out of this range here. Not really gonna touch anything in this range. Not too excited about anything in this range. But above here, oh, we'll go green. We'll go green. We'll go green. Shout out to green. Above here is all clean, and then below here as well is all clean here today for me. So these are the ranges I'll be looking to trade. This is the range that I'm gonna stay out of. So no trades going on in here. But anything above here is good to go. Anything below here is good to go as well. So this is where your money's at, and this is where your money's at here today. In this range, you may see a bunch of, messing around. So hopefully we don't stay in this range all day. But if we do, ain't nothing we could do about it, right? So yeah, chat, that is going to be the day here on gold. And if you can't get buys above here, there's even cleaner buys above here. So you could take advantage of all this clean traffic right here in this range. Right, it's a bit choppy up here. That's another reason why I really would rather see some sort of a range 2 above there, outside of going against the daily buys. All right, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm in on a buy, nice. Can you lower the music a little bit? Yeah, I think I already did that. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here as well. Oh, nice. Got a candle to close. Oh wow, this is all clean range now here for GJ. Should have no problem making your way up here. Let's take a look at pound yen though. So let's look at the weekly time frame here. Weekly time frame, very, very bullish here. We've been pushing up pretty nice the last 2 weeks. Been pushing up pretty nice. You had a candle close above this level here, right? That was what we were kind of waiting for. Pound yen to start closing above that resistance here. So looks like you got that. Next candle pushed up, filled the wick pretty nicely, and now this new candle is looking pretty bullish here on the weekly time frame. So let's take a look at the daily. Daily as well, you have a support right here, and then you have a resistance right here. So we're kind of stuck in this range until we get a candle to close outside of it. Now this candle right here has not yet closed outside of the range, right? This candle is still active. It can push down, it can push up. One thing I could see is that there is a wick to fill right here. So we have to identify what this all looks like on the lower time frames and really see what that wick is, right? So let's scale down to the 4 hour. 4 hour as well has a resistance right here. I think if you get a closure above it, it's going to be a pretty clean push, right? This is that wick that we talked about. You have a very, very clean range here to trade in. Once you get above these 2 resistances here, I think price should be good to go, right? But I don't want to think, I just want to watch. I want to see it happen. So I want to see a closure there. 1 hour time frame. We don't have a closure yet on the 1 hour. I know we do have it on the 30-minute, but barely closed above, right? Barely. So we're gonna wait for the 1 hour time frame here. If we can get a close above here, then price looks pretty clean to continue on up. So we're gonna wait here for gold and GJ on the 1 hour time frame. This has been your most nearest resistance here, where price has rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times right here pretty recently. And then you also have some rejections over here as well. So if we can finally get a close above, then again there is clean traffic to the left hand side, and we could take advantage of that today. All right, nice clean range right here for price to push pretty smoothly in. So that's what we'll look for here today. Buys above, what is this, 164.690. So buys above 164.690. Gotta wait for a candle to close, and then we have pretty free range coming up. Right, depending on where this candle closes, looks pretty good. Not really too interested in sells here on pound yen today at all. At all, really. Super bullish off the daily, super bullish off the weekly. Probably not going to touch any sells here today on GJ. If I do, it'll probably be below. Probably need a range 2 sell below here. 164.013. So range 2 sells below. Sells. And then these buys are clean. These buys are clean to come on up. So that will be the day. So same thing with GJ. I'm going to be staying away from this range right here. Bit choppy in this range. Looks like we're hopefully maybe going to get a breakout here. So everything looks clean above there. Right, you got a nice clean move here to retrace. And yeah, and then below here you have clean candles to the left. And then below here as well, you have some clean candles. So staying out of this red zone here for pound yen, and my money today is going to be sitting up here in the green zone. In the green zone today. Can we get to the green zone, ladies and gents? All right, perfect. So yeah, that's the day here, chat. We do have a bank holiday here all across the board. Outside of very interesting here with the US holiday structure. Seems like everyone else is respecting Easter here, besides the United States, which was founded on God to begin with. So pretty interesting. Can you please look at USD JPY? Yeah, we'll take a look at that. Where would you take profit on which pair? So profits here on GJ would be up here at 166.225, right around this resistance. If you're talking about GJ, and then gold, I would I really want to see a close back below this range here. So if we do see that, then be looking to secure some profits at this resistance, 1990.730, and then letting a runner go till probably down. Where's that 4-hour support? Yeah, probably down to this 4-hour support here, which is back down to 1980. Someone's in a buy, good job. I think GJ is breaking resistance, good for a buy. Can you check, Nick? Yep, so we just did that GJ analysis. So yeah, GJ is starting to push up. I would personally rather wait for the 1-hour candle to close here. Once we get a 1-hour close, looks pretty clean to continue up. 30-minute did, technically I want to say it did close above, but just above, right? Just barely above, so. I'll wait for the 1 hour here and then see what we got going on. Bro, chill. GJ zooming. Literally free up to, yep, that resistance up there. Wow, both gold and GJ look beautiful structure right now. Interesting, yep. USD JPY, we'll check it out here in a sec. If you already know, you're taking profit. Hey, let's get some likes here. Let's get some likes. Got 51 people watching. Bright and early on this beautiful Monday morning. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe, like the stream. Let's go check out. What was it? USD JPY? USD JPY. Let's see. USD JPY, USD CAD, USD JPY. All right. let's do it. So we got USD JPY here, right? So let's do a quick rapid analysis on this pair. So you do notice one thing, right? We're looking at the weekly time frame. We do see that the weekly has a resistance right here that has been formed last week. We did close bearish right here, forming a resistance on the weekly time frame. Now, as long as the high here, right, because this candle is pretty bullish right now, as long as this candle respects the high of the previous weekly candle, at any point price can break these lows and then continue down and fill this range here, right? Fill this wick, fill this range. Now we're on the weekly time frame, so from this point it just looks like wicks, right? So we're gonna have to scale down a little bit, adjust our binoculars, and take a look at the lower time frames here. So what do we notice, right? Daily time frame closed pretty bullish on Friday. Now this candle has already broken the highs. It should come up to fill this wick by the end of the day. So we are very, very bullish here on UJ. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame has been pushing up a little bit. Pretty weak candles, right? I think we're just now starting to see some volume and some momentum. Looks pretty bullish though. We've broken the 4-hour highs. You have a resistance right here. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame has a resistance down here, which it looks like we're trying to break out of, right? We're trying to break out of this resistance. It's the same resistance for the 30-minute. But if we do get a closure above, then you could see price make its way up to 133, 110 here. And then above that, you have even more clean traffic, right? Up until 133, 600. So that's probably what you're looking at here for USD JPY. If you're already in a buy, I am in on USD JPY. Not sure what you're in, if it's a buy or a sell. Hopefully it's a buy, but this 30-minute has no bottom wick. I'd wait for the 1-hour candle to close, and then as long as it closes above this resistance here, price should be good to continue up, right? You got clean traffic to the left-hand side. Nothing should be holding price up once you get a closure above this resistance right here, right? So just wait patiently. You got 8 minutes here for the candle to close, but it is looking pretty good. So if you are in buys, just hang on tight. Hang on tight. What up, Uncle Scalp?
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, brother. How we doing?
Doing good, we're doing good. How's everything?
Good. Looks like where we left off last night. We came down, tapped target like we talked about, right? Now we push back up here. So
I literally tapped target perfectly.
Literally, bro.
I was gonna take that. I was gonna take that sell, right?
I know, right here, right? What time was that? That was
I believe that was at 9 o'clock. I want to say.
Was that 9?
It might have been 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Let me see.
Yeah, me and Uncle Scalp were up talking last night. We drew this out perfectly here. We drew it out below the 30-minute time frame. You had a candle close. Looks like you would have got entered, but closed bullish, but it still was underneath the range, and you would have been good to go here for full TP.
Yeah, I was gonna enter that 9.
Yeah, that would have been nice. Next candle, right? You would have been able to close partials here, and then if your entry was up here, you would have never got tapped at break even because we never created a top wick on this candle. Just popped down. This was the one we were looking at originally. This big move that happened.
Yeah,
but yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Can you look at NAS 100? Yeah, we could look at it. I'm in USD JPY also. Very nice. The more bullish UJ is, the more bearish gold is. Yeah, 9 p.m. had a small retracement. Yeah, retracement, then the dump. Yep. Yeah, that was right here. That was nice. Very nice. Yeah, it didn't look too clean off the 30-minute. But, I mean, it did right here. But after this bullish candle, I probably would have just kept looking at the... kept an eye on the 1 hour time frame here. So we got about what, 6 minutes left, so we got one more 5-minute candle here. If we can get a 5-minute to close below here, that would be pretty nice, right? We're starting to, you notice how we're pushing up, but the bullish momentum is starting to slow down a bit here, right? So see if we can get this 1 hour candle to close bearish. Really want to see a 1 hour candle close below like this, and then we could take our sells coming down here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, chat, Friday we popped off. Holy. Yo, Friday we popped off.
Yeah, that resistance on the 1 hour forming right now.
Yep. Yeah, let's hope, let's see if we can get this. Snooze until you lose. We got some USD news here at 10 a.m. today, so that won't be in our way at all. Tune, I like that with a 2. 2 U-N-E. Tune. I like it. I like it. Yeah, let's see how we close here in just a few minutes here for the NY Open. I'm keeping an eye on GJ as well. I want to see GJ pull back just a little bit here. Pull back, pull back. Just a bit. Would love to see this candle close like right there. Short for Neptune. Ooh, I like it. Neptune. Sort of like the Neptune sound. Ding! Put some socks on here, chat. This ain't like your job, man. Can't show up to your job with no socks on, can you? $60 people watching, 24 likes. Can we get some likes on the stream so we can take these beautiful positions here at the NY Open? If I ain't got like at least 30 likes, I'm gonna just take this trade on my own. 607 subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. We're going to be doing a giveaway here at 1,000 subscribers. We're going to be giving away a $20,000 challenge account. So one lucky winner is going to have an opportunity to get that. You do have to be subscribed to the channel and in our free Discord. So, and then also follow me on Instagram. So if you guys are doing all 3 of those, then and you get picked, you're going to win the account. And then we'll see what you can do with it. And if you could run it up, then you got yourself a free 20K funded account. Who's got what it takes? All right, let's take a look. So there's a very high chance that we will, if we don't close below, this next candle at 8 a.m. will pop, right? Just like this. The only thing is we have a resistance right here. So buys are going to be pretty tough in this range. Yes, we do have the volume. Yes, the volume is going to be there. But no, I will not be taking a buy at the break of this high. Won't be doing it. Gonna wait for a closure above this range for buys and closure below here. So 30-minute candle, 1 hour candle has opened. Let's take a look because you have this area here based off the 30-minute. So it looks like we have a 30-minute celery, right? So if we put a resistance right here, it looks like we have that. Let's see if we can make a top wick and then start breaking this low on the 30-minute and maybe interested. Might want to wait till 8:30 here before. So let's just take a look and see how this all plays out. Because right now we're kind of just trapped. Price trap. I remember the good old price trap. How do you pick? It's going to be picked based off the subscribers. So let me just take a look here. I may be interested in sells here. Because you do have a celery play.
That wick.
Yeah.
You think sells past that low wick will be valid?
Yeah, I think so. Let me just see here. J Sniper. Let me just look left a little bit here.
Boys.
Jay, what up? Good morning, brother.
Good morning, my man.
What it do? Yeah, I'm gonna stick with sells below there. Yeah, you make it some sort of a. Oh, Tandy's here. What up, Tandy?
Dude, I accidentally pressed dial-up on Zoom, yo. You see that option? It says to use Wi-Fi or dial-up, dude.
No way.
Yeah, dial-up is back.
It's back.
Nobody can afford high-speed internet anymore.
Yeah, nah, I don't think so. It's going up.
And we all love and miss that dial-up sound. Good morning. Good morning, Scott.
The boys are here.
The beautiful people.
The beautiful people are here.
What up, Scalp? What up, Nick? What up, Jay?
What up, Tandy?
What up, my man?
We got 63 beautiful people watching, plus you guys. It's gonna be a good day.
Good morning, George.
Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting here. I'm not gonna take any sells below here or anything. Waiting for buys on GJ. Yeah, see how we closed here on pound yen. Yeah, we closed pretty strong bullish. There is another resistance right here. So it looks like we filled this clean range. And now we have even cleaner range going up. So probably gonna need a better bottom wick though. Let's get rid of this. That doesn't mean anything. Any buy stops on gold? Not for me. Not for me, no. Not yet. 18 holes of golf today. Let's go. Give me 1 sec, chat. Let me grab some water and stuff. I'll be right back.
Water.
Who's playing 18 holes of golf today?
Red FX. I've never played 18 holes of golf. That sounds like it would take you like, what, 6-8 hours? Sounds wild. Three and a half hours, though. It is, well, it depends on what time zone you're in, but Eastern is 8:05 a.m. Over in Cali is 5 a.m. And then, yeah, Central Standard Time, 2 p.m. in the Czech Republic. We have a lot of people from the Czech Republic over in Florida. Love them. Good people. That and Albanians. A lot of Albanians too.
In Florida?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the little dragon flag is everywhere. Yeah, they're awesome people though too. Just they're hardcore.
Yeah, their flag really looks like fucking, like the fucking Targaryens.
Yo, for sure. We're out for blood, dog. Yo, for sure. And on GJ, somebody said 970.
Ah, beautiful cells right now.
Yeah. But right here, like 2000 area has to close below, so still got time. Oh,
You guys are looking for sells on gold?
yeah, I'm not.
Sheesh.
Long term, I'm looking for buys, but short term, definitely can do some stuff
4 hours bullish. It can start turning up here.
for sure.
I'm waiting for a bottom wick here on the floor to take the buys, honestly, if we hold.
About to call DoorDash, have them bring me a Celsius. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep, look at that rejection there on GJ. It's kind of rejecting that resistance here, right? We pushed through this range. Probably gonna need a new closure now above that range.
God damn.
Goldie, baby. Gold should start its descent back down at this point after pushing up.
All good, Uncle Scott, bro. It's only 5 pips right there. Come on.
Yeah,
dog.
I already measured all this. It was 12 pips max, so we're not too worried here. right? Entry would have been the break of this low. That's like 8-9 pips. Yeah, we'll see how we look. Nice little range here. So now that it is 8, we'll see if we can get probably like a 15-minute close and a nice top wick, continue down. We knew this move would happen, right? But we were not outside of the range yet. So that's why we didn't take this trade. We talked about this. We talked about it. $15-minute close should be nice, bearish, and then the push at 820. Yeah, I was thinking, Scott's always reading my mind. He's always taking the words from my mind. Yeah, it'd be pretty nice. Get a rich flex. Don't worry, chat. Patience, patience. It's Monday. Just relax. Everyone take a deep breath. $70 people watching here. We're heading to a new level here, chat. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Like the stream, sub to the channel. Where my boy Green at? Is Green in here? Where's my boy? What's max? Max was like 170, man. Friday we just popped. Wow, nice move here. 20 pips. Oh, there he is. Gang, what up, Green? Green, you still out and about, or did you make your way back home? Or are you still on the road? Yeah, GJ rejected there. Sam Capital is in the house. What up, Sam? Keep an eye here on the 15-minute time frame. Oh, he's back in the office. Nice. Look at GJ. Pullback. Yes. Pullback on GJ. Gold dumping. Did we ever create a top wick? No, not on the daily yet. I'll be in the Zoom in a minute. Sounds good, Sam. GJ setting up for that celery, 8:30 celery. Let's go, GJ. Play nice. GJ. GJ is very bullish, right? Yes. Very bullish. Oh, the little ones are up early today. That's why I was a little late today. Let's see if we can get someone to deliver me some. Pick me up a Celsius, man. Of course, Carnivore MD had to post something about Celsius, so now I basically can't drink them anymore.
What do you say?
It's a love-hate relationship with that guy.
What do you say?
He said it because it has like fluorose or fluorotocin, something like that in it, that basically like messes with your insulin. And he's like, eventually if you drink it long enough, you become pre-diabetic.
Yeah.
He's
Dude,
like,
I've seen that before. Like, people will literally get type 2 diabetes off drinking sugar-free energy drinks, and it
Great.
always blew my mind.
Yeah.
But your body will literally think that the artificial sweeteners are real sugar, so it responds in that same way. It's wild.
That's crazy. Yeah, it processes it, yep.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man. He's like, if you really want the energy, just drink some fruit juice and some raw honey. He's like, and if you want all these nutritions, just have your basic organs. Heart, liver.
And the only thing that caffeine does is blocks the receptors that make you tired. They're like receptors in your brain. When you start feeling tired, it starts hitting those receptors and everything like that. That's all caffeine does. It just stops that. So it's not like you're getting additional energy.
Right.
It's getting something that's blocking the receptors.
Yeah, it doesn't sound too healthy to me.
No, and that's why people get like a tolerance built to it.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I can drink 3 drinks of Red Bull and nothing affects me. Like, yeah, because your receptors are fucking fried.
Wait 2 years, you'll be pretty affected.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, man, I just try and stick to water for the most part.
Water.
Says the guy who wakes up to a Celsius.
No. Wake up time is 4:30. That's 4 hours ago at this point. Imagine just wake up like crack a Celsius.
Celsius, I need to wake up.
Crack a Red Bull.
I actually know people that do that. Like, and this shit's,
Oh, bro.
that shit's bad.
I know
That's how I eat
someone.
with coffee.
Yeah,
Coffee is like
exactly.
first thing in the morning.
Yeah, that's
What?
true.
Oh, Tandy, shut up, bro.
Tandy calling him out on that coffee.
Tandy,
What?
let me die how I want to die, alright? I let you die how you want to die.
Oh no. I'm saying I'm right there with you, bro. I'm saying like I'm freebasing coffee first thing in the morning, dog. Like,
Oh, I only
It's
have
not
one
good.
cup. Like, I'm not like super bad where like people have like 3 cups throughout the day. I only have like the one in the morning. That's it.
36 pips.
ooh, nice.
Wake
Are
up
you on your challenge account, Scout?
Wake up with God.
Yeah,
There's your
yeah.
energy. Yeah. You in the? Did you get in, Uncle Scout?
No, I did not get in.
Smart, because there's nothing here, according to our playbook, that called for an entry.
Uh-oh. Get him. Bad boy.
Bad boy. Yeah, if you would have had a candle, if this candle would have closed below like we wanted to, then yes, we would have been in there. Same with the 15, right? 15 closed a little bit above support here. So nothing there. 1 hour, that was our only hint, was the 1 hour did close bearish, right? We said if this 1 hour closes bearish, chances are you're gonna see a push.
This move that just played out, like I was watching I told you the Sims yesterday, Raj's Sims.
Yep.
And this was like the move he would hit every time. That was like his money play.
Yep, volume. He's a volume hunter. Here's your 820, so you may see a push here at 820. Is it gonna push up or push down though? That's the question. Looks like it's pushing up.
I'll start working on that dolphin milk shirt, dude. Everyone's
Let's go.
that dolphin milk.
Wake up with that dolphin milk. Yeah, if you're gonna drink anything, just drink that dolphin milk.
Yeah, honestly.
We got dolphin milk coming to a refrigerated section in your grocery store near you. And where is that dolphin shirt? Was that an art? Yeah. Dolphin milk coming, ladies and gents. Just be patient. Just be patient. It's coming. Dun, dun, dun.
Bro, USD JPY, please.
Oh, let's take a look. Didn't we already look at that? Yeah, we already looked at it. I said if you get a closure above, you're good. You got the close. Look, we just tapped the first target right there. Perfect.
Yeah, bro. He's in a buy.
So right now I would probably close partials if I were you, since you've been in it since like down here. All right. You've been in this trade, I believe, since down here, so you're up about 50 pips. You do have no bottom wick on this 30-minute candle. You are coming up to a resistance as well.
Take those partials.
Take the partials.
Come on.
Yeah.
Take the money.
Secure the bag. All right, chat. So maybe able to get a 30-minute close here and continue down. Just wait. Let's just be patient. No need to get all excited. Comics, yep. Just take profit, bro.
God in Georgia.
Secure some profits, maybe. That's what I would probably. Yeah, if I were you, I'd secure some profits, maybe 50%, maybe 80%, and just leave the rest to run. Put your stops at break even, sit back, relax. It's all that. You hit it, my friend. You did it. Looking clean.
Base hits win ball games. Come on.
Yes, sir.
132.055.
GJ diving back in the range here. I'm in at 132.55. Let's take a look at your entry.
Hey, you're up 100. I think, yeah, 100 pips, dude. Yo, you are good, dog. Yo. You did it. You made the trade.
You did it.
You definitely did it.
You caught this where off support somewhere here. 5.5 right here. I don't know how in the world you got that entry below, maybe on a lower time frame. But yeah,
Post it on the Discord. Show proof. Post it on the Discord.
you're chilling, my friend. What a move. 110 pips. You should definitely secure something. It's battle reverse. She's making weekly top wick. Like gold is making weekly bottom wick. Ooh, oh, Sam putting it together. Let's go. Yeah, 100 pips, man. I'd be securing profits right up here. Starting to pop into this rejection zone. If price can run into some rejection, it's gonna be right here, right? And then if we do burst through, then the next rejection is probably gonna be up in this zone up here. But yeah. See what I'm saying here, chat? Why would we settle? Why would we settle down for an entry that's not ours? Yes, the move played out, but look at now, the 30 minutes pulling back up, leaving us a beautiful wick to fill. And this, if we close below, then this does match our playbook, right? This is part of our system. So why settle for something outside of your system when price usually will come right back and give you a very similar entry? And then you could actually be confident in taking that trade. How'd you get that perfect entry and then not know where to take profit? That's a good point.
Harmonic scanner.
Yeah, but the harmonic scanner should give you a TP. Actually, it gives you about 5 TPs. Get in at A, ride it for B and C, and then close at D. Simple. Simple, simple. All right, so we got 4 minutes here. Possibly looking to take some entries here. Stops are probably going to be sitting somewhere above this previous candle high, right? So the trade's most likely going to look something like this. Say we get your entry here, take profit down here. Stops are going to be sitting above this previous candle high for about 31 pips. You could even keep them right above all these highs, which is about 40 pips. So depending on where this candle closes, we should have a nice, what's that, 90 pips on the way down? Yeah. So something like that. Just don't close right at support. Either pull back or push down. Oh, you hear our song zone taking off for blast off. Yes. No, not off the rip. I'm going to be waiting for a top wick. I always wait for a top wick. Always. Anything could happen.
Yo, could you please change this song?
You don't like
It's
this
the
one? Let's change it.
It's the only one. Dude, for some reason, I get really warm and I just start getting tired.
About the
you know what? New week. New week. We're gonna run it back. We're gonna run the whole 12
you know
hours.
that classic that we used to play?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
That
yeah.
one,
That
fire.
was the shit.
I'm trying to
You were hitting
remember
Fire.
which
Oh
trying to remember which playlist that was.
You gotta do that one.
That one was
I
great.
felt like I was on like an island or some shit.
Oh, yeah, that one was good.
That one was good. But that was like the only good song on the whole thing,
Yeah, yeah.
unfortunately. All right, chatty chat, lock it in here. Them vocals. Hit them with the vocals. All right, so I'm gonna have a sell stop here on the flip of this candle here, a little bit below the flip. Right about, what is that? 1999.040. Stops are going to be sitting where we talked about them, above that previous candle high. And TPs are going to be down at this support. Want to see a nice top wick here, which we got, and if we flip, we should be good to drive and fill this wick at this point. We also close below here as well, which is pretty good. The vocals. Pretty bearish here on the daily, pretty bearish here on the 4 hours bullish. That's our only issue right now, is our 4-hour time frame. Look at that, wow, starting to push all the way up here. So if we do break this 30-minute high, I'll delete these sell stops. I'm gonna have mine a little bit lower than the flip too. Just a little bit lower. Any trades yet? Not yet. Got a sell stop here though. Doom, 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 doom. Sell stops a little bit below the flip. As we respect this 30-minute high, price should be good. 1 hour is pushing back down. Let's see what other song we got here. GJ, what about it? Oh, GJ closed below, but we're very, very, very bullish on GJ. Or will GJ push down and gold push up? We will have to wait and see. Yeah, GJ could, we closed below now after rejecting, so the only thing is you got a lot of choppiness right here on pound yen. We are bullish for the day, so you may run into some chop right there.
Yo, do you guys get the My Forex Funds advertisement on YouTube a lot?
Sometimes, yeah.
Dude, it is the only thing that I get. That girl that's on there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yep.
My Forex Funds is way different than other brokers. Oh, bro, I despise My Forex Funds now, dude. It's vile.
That's funny.
Bro.
Gold bullish. The 4 hour looks bullish, but everything else is pretty bearish here on gold.
I know you guys are seeing these ads too, bro.
Yeah, I've seen them.
If you're looking up anything with like trading, dude, you're seeing it.
Gold will be bullish if we can close above the range here, then I would say gold is gonna go bullish. If we don't get activated by 8:45-ish, we will delete and we will wait for the new 4 hour candle. Because the last 15 of the 4 hour usually can get a little choppy. Thanks, brother, for replying. Oh yeah, my pleasure, man. Mr. Striker 22, welcome to the stream. Yeah, the issue with GJ is we're very bullish, right? So unless this low here, as long as this low respects this low, then at any point price could pull back up. So we're not going to be jumping in on buys, on sells at all here on pound yen. Or I'm not going to be. You can do what you need to do, but I will stay at. GJ can give us some sort of like push down and back up, then maybe interested, but see if gold could break these 30-minute highs. Do-do-do-do.
Good morning to all my milk drinkers.
Hey, dolphin milk drinker to you, pal.
True.
Hello, bro. Hello,
What's going
Muhammad.
on? How's everyone's Easter?
Oh, it was great, man. How was yours?
It wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. Had a nice dinner and just KO'd.
Nice.
How many eggs did you find?
The real question is,
Well,
did you
I'm
find
trying to come up with
Jesus?
a witty answer for that.
Nah, dude. I'm always gonna get more than you. So.
Yes.
I'm going to delete these sell stops, and we're gonna wait. No.
Why is it on in the back?
Yeah, I'm gonna delete those, and we'll wait for this 15 to close and the 4 hour to close.
Why do companies have to copyright music, bro? Come on. Why can't we listen to Polo G and Mariah Carey right now?
Mariah Carey. They got a song together?
Well, no, but I'm just
You're
saying.
too.
Yeah.
They had a song together. I was like, bro, that's probably
That
terrible.
would be wild. That would be wild. Yeah, it's Chief Keef and Seal.
Dude, I know, I never really cared. So like half, not half, but like a decent bit of my streams are just straight up blocked.
What, like?
From when I
Well,
stream.
do they block it or do they just demonetize it?
Well, at first they just get demonetized, and then I don't know. So it depends on the song. But if it's like one song, if I play one song that they won't even let you play and then take the ad money from, whole stream.
You gotta figure the ways around it, the loopholes.
Yeah. You gotta
Yeah.
upload it to
like-
Bandcamp and change the pitch and reverb.
Listen to it all goofy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I had to remember which songs it was, so whenever they come on, I hurry up skip them. One of them was a Nav one of them was a Lil Baby song. I forget the other ones, but
Yeah, anything Drake, any bigger like mainstream one, you're gonna get. But bro, every time I got flagged, all they said was that people in Russia can't watch the stream now.
yeah, exactly.
So-
that's every single one of your streams. It should be.
Yeah, so it's not like, I don't know, is there anyone in Russia in the chat? Like, I don't think so. So I don't even
Probably
think there's
not.
people who watch from Russia.
Yeah, I think that it's just because of the war. Everything gets censored.
Yeah.
It says Belarus and Russia, because Belarus is partnered with them. They went into the invasion with them.
The invasion. Oh yeah, someone's from Russia here. Oh,
Really?
snap. All right, then we gotta stop playing the copyright music then. There's a few streams.
Like you live there right now? You're there right now? Forex
No
trading?
way.
Yes. Oh, we got Russia in the
You're from
house.
Russia? Talk to me.
There's a few streams that you can't watch right now. Sorry about that.
VPN though.
Oh.
What a bot.
You use VPN? Can you get in trouble for that? Because they're trying to put a law in here right now that if you use, so they're trying to ban TikTok, and then if you use a VPN, you can face up to 20 years jail time.
He said,
There's ways of
"Nah,
masking your
I'm using a
VPN though, so-
VRN. VRN."
I feel like it's just a big scare though.
It's there's ways of hiding yourself on from a VPN from being seen.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
I
you
don't
just
have
get a
any
Tor.
because I'm not.
Tor browser, and then you just hide everything. Basically, the VPN will say you're in Russia, and then an hour later say you're in Belgium, and then an hour later says you're in Italy, and then an hour later says you're in the US.
I'm just traveling, you know?
Yeah. The VPN will basically scramble one you have before Onion browser on it. It can scramble the VPN from where it's coming from.
Onion? Did you just say onion, bro?
Yeah.
There's onions in everything.
Everything.
Life, internet.
Trading?
Yeah.
Someone's lying here. Gold NGJ.
I don't
both
like
pumping
onions
down.
though, bro. Why are there so many?
I don't know. It's because there's layers to that shit.
You got that chicken
Shit,
nugget.
it gets deep.
It goes deep.
It goes real deep. He meant to put VRN, not VPN. He was just kidding. Russian government.
Oh. He was joking.
The Russian military's
He
already
said,
at his
yeah,
door.
Bro, probably he could get in trouble.
Yeah, Putin's on this chat.
I don't know, bro. I wouldn't fuck around over there personally.
Yeah.
We do have Jerome Powell in the chat. I know that. In the Discord. Nick, you in the gold cell? No, we deleted the cell stops. But it should be good here. That should be your 10 pips right there. 7.
Say
7 or
Jerome
8.
Powell's in the chat?
Yeah, we got Pal in the Discord. I know that. I don't know if he's in the chat today.
Jerome Powell, if you're in the chat, I want you to drop a 10 trillion stimmy right now, just to absolutely obliterate every country's reserves. And just send every economy into the hole right now.
That'd be fire.
No balls.
He just replies, bet.
Bet. Yes, that's what it played out. Pretty decent. New 15's opening up. Oh, there goes GJ back up. Gold now back down. Sounds about right. So yeah, that would have been the probably the break-even point.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You held the sell stop?
I sure did.
Nice.
Oh my god.
He's a savage. He's a savage. Yeah, it makes sense
nice.
too. 4-hour pullback here on gold, so we could end up pushing down at this point now. So for the next 4 hour, after grabbing that liquidity, this one closes bearish. We should be good to continue down.
Scalp, what's your real name, bro? I'm tired of calling you Uncle.
Joe.
Joe, my man Joe. Hell yeah.
That's hilarious.
Hell yeah. Is it for Joseph? I'm guessing. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's my middle name. So what's
Oh, yeah.
good?
What? No way, dude. Your name's Joseph too? That's crazy.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you that. I don't know. I don't know why. A bunch of Joes over here. Sam, what's your middle name?
Just
Joe
Joe.
Mama.
Joe Mom.
Whoa.
Joe Mom.
Joe now right now.
We got
Nick,
Joes
what's your middle
everywhere.
name?
That one was a setup for me, bro.
I got Joes. I got Joes in different area codes.
Oh my god.
I got a cup of Joe too. Yep.
Couple
Jeez,
of
that
sounded good,
I have about 3.
Nice.
Jay's middle name is Fernando.
Let's go. Give me that 2%.
Fernando.
Let's go.
We
Good
got a
work.
Clap. We do a little clap.
Clappy
Slava
clap.
Ukraini. What is that mean?
Just
I
make it
gotta
clap.
Translate
Just make it clap.
something about Ukraine.
Yeah,
What is
long
Slava?
live.
Damn. Wait, he's rooting for them?
Yeah, wait, glory or celebration?
Glory.
We have to get like sound effects.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna work on those.
We gotta do that. We gotta do. We
You
have to do
gotta
a
get the
clap.
fucking
We
the
have to get
string
an air
down.
horn. We have to get a clap.
Facts.
We have to get a cheer.
Yeah, I would have ran
Alright.
pretty nice.
Wow.
Uh,
Yo.
Hey, Ukraine win.
Wait, whoa.
Dude, that means you're like your house would get like
Yo, you are saying some wild stuff right now. There's no way I'd be saying all this. You know?
And there's the wick fill. Let's go.
Wait, me.
Well, no.
Oh, the
him.
other guy.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
yeah.
what I'm saying. Yeah, that's you live there, bro.
Yeah. You're not scared?
Well, he may be catfishing. He may
Yeah.
really be in Ukraine.
He's probably just a Floridian. Just like.
He probably lives down the street.
Maybe
Yeah.
crazy.
He goes to the same gym as me.
He helped you out this morning. You don't even know it.
What?
Hey, buddy, you helped me out with a spot here.
I see
Lava
trading
trading.
the most controversial live stream on YouTube.
Pushing.
You just do it all.
So I guess we should have held these because the 4 hour was bullish, and if the 4 hour is gonna pull back on the last 15, that would have been going in our favor there. So 1 hour candle, just how we drew it up. Money. See, once you got the close below, you had an even bigger move than you had on the other one. Beautiful. Perfect flip. Yep. Worked out good here. Boo. That's why you always want to wait for a candle to close outside of the range. Once you had this candle close, you grab liquidity, flip bearish, and then look at the drive. So just when you think you're missing a move, right? Everyone who watched this one go. And look at the pullback, nice close below, and then that's when you had your real move after that. So never have FOMO when before you get that closure. Oh, I live in Moscow. What about Siberia? Go check out a Siberian tiger.
That's actually crazy. They got tigers in Russia, literally.
Bro, it's probably freezing up there.
We got tigers in Florida too. You know?
At the zoo?
No, like Tiger King, you know?
Oh, that's true.
True.
That is
Yeah,
very
it's-
true. Hey, we got 85 people watching. Appreciate you guys coming by. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the stream.
Nice, dude. Everyone came back when I said Friday.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
held them.
everyone
We held
came
them
back.
accountable.
Yeah.
Nice 55 pip move here. That was this was the target right here. Coming down right now. It wasn't bad at all. Rookie question here. How do you deal with fear while trading even when you're sure of the strategy? Good question. So fear comes from not really understanding the strategy. So if you're sure of your strategy, that's going to eliminate a lot of fear from you. Also, one thing to consider is that if you really are sure of your strategy and you have sample size data on it, then you know that your only job at the end of the day, your job isn't to win a trade, it's not to lose a trade, it's just to execute on your trade. So once you've executed on your position, your job is done. There's nothing to fear anymore. At that point, you now put your trade and the outcome of your trade in the hands of probability. And if your probability, like this move right here, has a 80 to 85 probability percentage that it's gonna win, right? So at the end of the day, you know, it's either gonna run that probability or you're just gonna be on the wrong side of that probability. But either way is totally fine, because if you take a loss off of a position that matched your system and your strategy, then that's a good loss, right? You should just say, okay, if I do that 10 more times, 8, 9 out of 10 times, that's gonna play out for me. And you know, at the end of the day, everything after the entry goes into the hands of probability.
Damn, son. Fucking sell 1990. Come on, B.
Straight move.
Got that too early.
I thought you were looking for buys, Jay.
Nah, I got that way too early, man.
Oh. I'm getting out right here. Boom. Done. 1990. This is beautiful. I think it can keep on coming down, but
You held the whole way.
I jumped in at the break of 1997,
Okay.
and then that was basically like the flip on the body there on the 30-minute. That was beautiful. It was like 70 pips to
That was nasty.
92.
I closed 2%, but I could have hit like probably 6%.
Where'd you take your partials at? Because I know you were in earlier.
I didn't take partials. I closed full.
Oh, you just closed full?
Yeah.
It's a solid play though that you closed full. Because I
Yeah,
feel like we can find
Yeah,
some
not
for you.
bad. Yeah, right here is not a bad idea. Right by that wick fill.
Right,
71
George.
pips for George. Let's go.
W.
I think fear more when you scared to lose. Yeah, okay. So if you're scared to lose, then that means you're over risking. So if you're afraid that your stop loss is gonna get hit, chances are you're risking too much money, more than you're comfortable with. So at the end of the day, if that's the case, then just lower down your lot size or your percentage, and that fear will go away. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, if you're afraid that your stop loss is gonna get hit, that's a sign that you're risking too much. Got your mat. Hey, that one brought me back. Let's go. Good work, Billy. Billy Max. Yeah, you got more clean traffic below here as well.
Jeez.
Anything can happen. Yeah, especially if you get this 4-hour close now. How to hold an AA trade. I take a trade, but I close it early. You should look left, and then if you look left, you'll notice things, right? The chart will tell you, okay, well, I could slow up here, I could slow up here, right? So you have to basically look left and see what's your plan before you even enter the trade. What's my plan? Is my plan, will I close partials here? Or will I just move my stops to break even, right? Should I just move my stops to break even there and hold till here, right? You have to make a plan before you enter a trade, because this looks amazing, right? But hindsight's 20/20. So you don't know if it was gonna fill this wick or if it was gonna reject this wick. So the plan has to be made before you even enter a position. Right? If you say, all right, I'm gonna move stops to break even when we get to this wick fill and hold the rest, then that's your plan. But if you say, I'm gonna close 80% at this wick fill, then that's your plan, and then you have to stick with your plan. Always stick to the plan. Like for me, I would have been out of this position right here, 35 pips. I would have been closing partials right there, and then just letting the rest of it run. Well, that was a long 15 minutes. All
That was a
right.
bleeder.
That was a bleed. That was a juicer. A bleeder.
Damn, this
Yeah,
thing
that's
can
a
break the
bleed.
low and keep coming down here. Ooh.
All right. So you got a new 4-hour candle here. So we did close below. We've rejected this area. So yeah, let's see if we can get a top wick on this 4-hour, and then possibly look to take some more sells here.
Ooh.
Do 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 do. That was a bleeder.
Yeah, she was.
Let's see. Stop loss is a bit crazy right now. See how GJ looks.
DJ looks good.
All right, yeah, we had a bullish close here on pound. Yeah, we need a bottom wick. If we get a bottom wick and re-break the high, I'll probably look to have some buy stops here on GJ.
Are you guys talking right now?
No.
No. Dude, what is going
You
on?
walked into complete silence.
I'm watching the candles bounce.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Yup.
There we go. Dude, Zoom just made me.
See,
update
Tandy's
this.
committed. Tandy jumps on Zoom and YouTube.
Yo, I'm a supporter.
That's commitment. Yeah, shout out to everyone that took those sells. Good work. Good work. You're a master. He's a master. Do 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 do. Yeah, that was about a 90 pip move there. Just a beauty. Yeah, 30-minute salary would be nice. That's probably what I'll wait for. See if we can get it. See if we can get it. GJ coming down to make a bottom wick here.
That's weird.
See if we can re-break this low. I like this. 1 hour never closed below. 4 hour making a bottom wick here. Let's take a look at what this is. $16 pip stop at the break of the high here on GJ right now. Let's see slot.
Don't come back.
Let's take a look. So I think this will be a 16 pip stop if we end up 12. Anything can happen. Yeah, that was a 15-minute bleeder. After a nice rejection too. Alright, GJ breaking the lows again. So you basically have an onion play here as well. So you got to support. If you don't break this low and we re-break the high, there's a high chance that this 4 hour will continue to run now. So I am going to have some buy stops here on pound yen.
And gold about to go.
Gold might, yeah, gold
There it
might.
is.
Gold's leaving. Gold left the station.
Gold might be gone. So buy stops here on GJ at the break of the 4 hour high. Should be good to drive up. We've created that support that we needed off the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. Should be good to go. Gonna look to close partials here at this wick fill and then let the rest of it ride. Anything can happen. Looks pretty clean on every time frame here. 1 hour closed above the range. 30 minute closed above bullish support. 15 minute as well. So it looks pretty good. 4 hour closed above. Current stops, yeah, current will be the current 4 hour low right here. Thank you for the gold explanation, Nick. Do you trade the same as Don or have? Yeah, pretty similar. I just don't really go down to the 5-minute time frame much. But if you guys have watched Don last year, then that's pretty much exactly how I trade. The way Don has traded for the last 2 years, I was on his streams every day being a student, and I haven't really watched much of him this year, but if you've seen him trade the last 2 years, then yeah, that's very similar to how I trade. Money, money, money. All right, see if we can get activated here on pound yen. Make sure you account for spreads a little bit. Gold 4-hour close with very little bottom wick here. Anything could happen when you are popping in. All right, let's see if we can get activated. What is this? It's about 25 pips. Gold 4-hour close with no bottom wick, that gets pretty tough. See how this candle pushed down and then now it's all of a sudden pushing back up. No bottom wick, no range for price to drive. Can we get activated? Yeah, shout out to Don. Mm-mm-mm. 600 and what do we got? 612, 610, 614. 614 subscribers. We're doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So if you're on here and you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe and enter the chance to win that 20K challenge account. almost. Can we get activated? Doo-doo-doo. Come on, come on. All right, looks like I've been activated here. So got into some buys here on GJ. Stops are gonna be below the 4-hour candle. Take profits are gonna be most likely up in this area full TP today. Probably gonna look to manage risk around this wick fill, and then maybe close partials. We'll see how we're looking. But I am activated. Let's see. Stops. Go over here. And yeah, should be good. Should be a clean push up to fill this wick. Is there news today? What's happening with gold? What's happening with gold? Let's see. Nothing. GJ, we got into some buy stops here. Or we got into some buys to fill this wick and continue on up with the daily move here. So we do have NYSE open coming in as well. That should bring some volume. What's happening? We'll go. Not me, nah. I like that name. Not me, nah. I dig it. Gold right now closed with no bottom wick here on this 4 hours, so that's the issue that that we're running into. So probably gonna have to wait here for a 30-minute candle and then see where we're at. GJ on the other hand looks like it should continue to run bullish based off of technicals, right? You got a 4-hour wick fill, you got a closure above the range. Should be good to continue on up here. This gives us what, 24 pips for that wick fill. And then nearest resistance now is up here. So depending on how this daily candle wants to push here today, we should be pretty straight to continue up. But pretty heavily based off the 4-hour. I'm from the Caribbean. Hey, nice. Caribbean in the house. Where in the Caribbean are you from? The Caribbean. Trinidad and Tobago. Oh, nice. Beautiful, huh? What a life. You in this trade? Yes, I am. Yep. I'm in a gold buy. Oh, nice. Well, we did close with no bottom wick there, so not a bad idea. Sell, win 1,000. Nice. Beautiful. Won $1,000 on that gold sell. Perfect. Happy to hear that. Yeah, gold, we're gonna have to wait. So when this 30-minute candle closes on gold, if you close bullish, chances are the next candle with the NYSE open here is gonna pop. Right? It's gonna pop, especially if you close above this resistance here. You should see a nice push up. Oh, nice. 1.5 lots. Beautiful. Beautiful. We'll make it look like this just so we can watch it. Now big buy time. Big buy. Well, based off the 4-hour, we should continue up and most likely fill this wick here on pound yen. We do have some more volume coming into the market here in about 6 minutes. 4 hour, yep. Yeah, based off the 4 hour, I mean, the 30-minute looks really good as well. Created a support, should continue to push up. 1 hour closed above, right? Above resistance. 4 hour closed above. So yeah, technicals say that we should continue up here on pound yen. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Oh, just subscribed? Appreciate you. How much you decide where you're gonna take profits and stuff? Partials? We just look left, right? So if you look left, there's a resistance right here. So there's a clean range, right? So once this clean range is filled, where can we run into some sort of rejection? And that would be right here. So being that that's the case, that's where we'll look to secure partials and take some profits off the table. But up until then, you got a pretty clean range. You could even probably take some partials at this resistance here, but you know, looking left, technicals say this is going to be our first hiccup based off the 30-minute time frame. But it's pretty clean if you're looking at the 1 hour and the 4 hour here. Pretty clean to just continue running up until this wick fill. You got a solid support that was created right here. Break of resistance right here. Wick to fill right there. Clean traffic to the left. First hiccup is basically right off this 1 hour, this 30-minute time frame. And then once you break above that, you should be clean to continue pushing up. See if the NYSE can push us here. 2-3 minutes left. Thanks, bro. Got you. Got you. Got you. The way we'll manage risk is basically in a losing position. If this 30-minute closes below, then probably look to manage risk here. But if we stay above the range, right, we'll probably look to close partials or close the position if we close below like this. But as long as we close above, this trade is still in our favor. Right, so as long as we close above, the next candle should be able to make a bottom wick and then continue pushing up. Remember what we always talk about candles making higher highs and higher lows, right? You have a low here, you have a new high, you have a new low, new high. So maybe next candle comes down, creates a new low with a bottom wick, and then continues up. That would make sense. That would make sense. the support because we're basing it off the 4 hours. So this is heavily based off 4-hour time frame here. So it's more so we're looking at this resistance that we closed above on the 4 hour. That's why you see it there. But it looks like that on the 1 hour / 30. But yeah. All right, so you got your NYSE open here. Let's see what happens. Let's take a look at gold. Gold pushed up right away. Gonna stay locked in here on GJ for now. See if we could break this high on the 4 hour and then continue up. Yeah, this trade is mainly based off the 4 hour. All right, looks like we have some volume coming in, so we'll just see if we can make our way up to fill this wick here. Yo, yo, what up, Johnny boy? Is a trade on gold treated the same as a trade on GJ from a tax perspective, or do you have to track your individual trades metals differently? Depending. I mean, do you have an LLC? What do you got going on? Alright, so I think we got what, 15? No, oh, I got 10 pips. Alright, chat, at this point I am going to move stops to break even here and make it a risk-free trade. Stops at entry. Got about 12 pips there, and yeah, let the rest run. Let the rest run. It's our song too. Oh. All right, break even. I got tapped. I got tapped at B. Closed a little bit of partials, and yeah, once we got into this area here, there was a little bit of a rejections, right, going on in this area. So that's why I wanted to at least go BE at that point. For those that are still in, this thing should continue to run here. Gold not doing much here with the NYSE open.
Yeah, I'm in the gold buys right now.
Yeah, they're not too bad here.
I
This,
have myself below the previous 15.
You should
I
start.
almost just got hit.
I was looking at these, like you should probably start to pop. No bottom wick there on the 30. I think I might actually have a buy stop here myself.
Once
Yep,
the
I'm-
breaks that high again.
I'm with you, bro. I've been in
Yeah.
this for a minute.
Yeah, I may yeah, chat, I'm gonna have buy stops here. Break of this high in the 30-minute.
I just like the closure back inside the range, and then daily has no top wick.
Yeah, if we end up breaking the high again, definitely. All right, yeah, so got into some buys here on gold as well. Stops are going to be below the 30-minute candle. With the volume coming in, we really shouldn't push back down at this point and break that low. You got NYSE open here, so it could be a quick push too.
I hope so, because I've been waiting.
Yeah.
Well, not too long.
Yeah, I'll probably look to
But I got
manage risk right around this yellow line here. Buys, so buys on gold.
You're doing it to 97?
I'm gonna be looking for 95 and then probably go break even. Maybe
Yeah.
close some partials, but yeah, definitely 95 to this support
Oh
over
my
here.
god.
Can gold take off?
Yeah, gold buys are looking good here. 97. You guys are all in this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am.
Where'd you guys jump in? Like right now?
My entry is, no, I got mine at the NYSE open. It went up, broke the high, and then almost came down, hit my stop loss. My stop loss is below the 15 previous low because I didn't
Oh.
lose the whole.
Did you get in around 92?
I got it in 1993.48.
Oh, okay.
So like a little
Yeah.
bit higher than that.
No, yeah, I was actually looking at that too. I think me and Tandy ran at 92 here, risking the previous 15-minute low. But it's looking sweet right here. Ooh, no top weight. Here we go.
Pump it.
That's not good.
No, because if it breaks the high, it can push up.
That's not good.
Oh wow, yeah, 15 close with no top wick.
5
No.
close, no top
That
wick.
was a 5. It was a
The
5.
5 close with no top wick.
We're good.
Yeah, I'm still in.
Yeah.
Pump it.
Uh-oh. The whistling
Shoot me.
starts.
Shoot me.
Oh god.
Here comes the whistle.
Uh-oh.
Don't
Blow
start the
your whistle.
whistling now. There's
Uh-oh.
nothing to be afraid of here. It's all good.
It was all good just a week ago.
If you're scared, just go BE.
What?
But this shit,
It's too
go
late
BE.
for me.
No, the trade is good. All the way to
Yeah, this is a good
796.
Yeah,
so
trade's
We ain't
bad.
I like
scared
this.
anymore. We ain't scared anymore, bro. That was last year.
No fear, boys. No fears.
Pump it.
Uh-oh. Sam's got to stand up. Here we go.
No, I get it.
Uh-oh. Now he's gonna stand up.
I gotta hide.
You gotta hide.
You guys are too funny.
Oh.
No, I've been meaning to go do something. So I'll be right back.
Go walk that dog, Sam. Go walk that dog.
Walk the doggy.
I got 2 of them, so I'll put them on hyperdrive.
Put them both on, Ali. Do.
Ah, shit.
Oh. Broke that low. Yep. Hit my stop. Yeah, I got stop set on that one. GJ continuing up. Anything could happen.
Nice celery play on gold.
Yeah, yep. Gold is breaking bearish. Why would you buy? Well, we had a 30-minute close above for the NYSE Open. Broke the high. Pushed up a little bit. I think I seen like 10 pips. Not even.
The higher time frame is all bearish.
Yeah, I know.
I mean bullish.
No, higher time frames are all bearish here on gold, outside of the weekly.
Oh, I guess the previous daily.
Yeah. 4 hour breaking the low now.
There is bearish momentum, but overall trend is bullish though.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
It's all good though. This is probably just making a deeper bottom work on the weekly here.
The only reason I like this was just because of that 30 close with NYSE coming in.
That's
was
why
really
I liked it as well. And since the 4 hour is moving straight back up.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean it can't do it right here.
4 hour,
There's
no
a
bottom
30
wick.
graph to the downside.
That's it for me though.
But I probably won't take anything else here today.
Yeah, no,
Unless
I
we're
risked
testing those buys.
I risked 30 lots on that GJ trade, and then I only risked 5 lots on this gold trade. So
Fucking gold comes up, breaks the highs here with one candle, and we're like, ah, you bitch. Freaking gold.
yeah, gold
I'm
is
known for
I
doing
first-
shit like that.
the only reason behind this gold trade was simply NYSE after a bullish support. I went very, very small risk on that. And yeah, once the 5 closed with no top wick, should have just bounced there.
Yeah, that would for me that 5 minute no top.
GJ though, filled that wick. Beautiful pump here on the 4 hour. Yeah, GJ looked good, man. GJ was the play here. Gold, that 30-minute here was amazing. This was a nice move. 4 hour close, no bottom wick. Yeah, it's crazy. All time frames are jumping around now, right? Talking different languages, so
Yeah, that's what I'm said. I'm done.
Not the best.
Pulling back.
broke the low and pushing back up. What do you know? Yeah, that'll probably be it for me today. GJ was the play here. Had 30 lots open here, so that was my position. Took that, and then gold lost about, what did we take? Wow, gold actually, that was a 42 pip stop. Crazy. Anything can happen. Yeah, but big dubs on GJ. That was the main trade for me today here.
Gold ends up playing out. Bummer. But that's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna head out, boys, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have some more direction.
30 lots, yeah. Alright, Sam. Yeah, I think tomorrow will be better. No holiday or nothing, so.
Yeah. Alright, peace, boys.
Alright, brother.
Later, Sam.
Peace, chat.
Yeah, Red FX, yup, 30 lots, man. Open a 30 lot there. Goldie, goldie, gold. Boom. Target tapped. Fill this range now. See if you break through. See what happened there on the lower time frames. Oh, how did we get hit at BE? Did anybody else get break even on this trade on pound yen? I was down 5%. Now I'm up 2.5. Let's go. Holy. My man made 7.5% today. Beautiful. beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Gold. 1 hour closing, pretty nice. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it for me today, chat. Oh, Daniel's still in GJ, nice. Yeah, I'm probably gonna dip off. Took a small little loss here on GJ, but I mean gold, but GJ was the move here today. Looks like you got a 1 hour celery play coming up too. So this should continue up on the 4 hour time frame. You break that high. Next target's gonna be 165,230. And then next target after that is 165,800. So pretty clean, pretty clean. But yeah, I'm gonna get off here, guys. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. We'll be back at it tomorrow, and you know, same play, different day, right? Same play, different day. Back here tomorrow. A little. We'll be earlier tomorrow too. So we'll be here at 6:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see you guys then.
W day.
W. Love
Hey,
y'all.
Joe.
Hope you guys have a great day, man.
Later.
See you, boys.
Peace. Peace.